Welcome back to the review of few stocks. Today is February 4th, and same day last week we review some of the stocks for the upcoming week, which was Uber, Intel, Starbucks, Amazon, Airbnb, and Marvel Technologies. So we will be reviewing the same stocks, and we will see if there is any changes that happen in our review and what was the reason behind it, and that will give you the lesson to uh, adjust to your wave counts as well, and what are the possibilities that you would start looking if that is not the case scenario that you thought earlier, and how to adjust. That's basically what it is. I have posted one video about the characteristics of the wave as well. Do not bog down on the numbers described over there. It's just a normal tendency over here. Earlier in the last video, our review was that the Uber is going for higher highs, and we are looking for new higher highs for upcoming week. Uber will be posting an earnings on when was it? When is it? Probably next week. Oh, sorry, this week actually. Yeah. They're posting earnings on Wednesday, the 7th. So there is a buzz going on that they will be profit making. They are profit making, but structuring has been done for the company. So based on the Elliott wave count, this one was our one. Let me cancel. We don't need to count it and waste time on it. We have already plotted everything. So this was our 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, I'm still not concluding this is my end of wave 3 and 4. But let's say if that is the case, this could have been my 3 and 4, and this could have been my 1 and 2. But basically, what we are adjusting, the one run that is telling me based on this projection was 74, and the other projection was telling me it will come somewhere around $84 over here. To be fair, 79, which is the middle, center one of that. What I'm looking, let me pull it out on a daily basis. What I'm looking as it's nearing my uh, valuation. I'm trying to look on a daily basis, on an hourly basis, how the charts are panning it out. Yes, it's been able to go across the higher highs that was happening earlier here. So this one is higher high, and if you see the low which was here, higher low. Now this high which was made here, this is higher high than this, and the low which was made here, higher low. So if you see, it's following that pattern, so it's making higher high, higher low. That gives you the chance of the very nice breakout if the earning comes good. If not, on the other side, we will be looking at around 56 level. If it doesn't go in the favor of the Uber expected results, then we are looking 57. If the run happens, then we are looking 75 to, basically I'm saying 84. So yeah, 75 to 84 run is possible in Uber. The view is still the same that was we were holding earlier. Intel Corporation, the view is still same, but earlier I was having a thought that yes, we would be seeing somewhere around 38, 37 in this scenario as well. There was a possibility, but the way it is panning out, I think $40.50 will be a good resistance for it to go down, good support in this case. Still, I'm not able to see the clear 5 waves coming down over here. On the same principle, if I'm looking at it, lower low, lower high, it's been making over here, lower low and lower high, almost same, lower low, same high. This one over here, lower low, if it doesn't go up, then this, that's lower high. So still we have a chance of it's going 40.63. So still it's not a buying. Yes, all the semiconductors came with the good earnings. Intel came with the very good earnings, but their uh, projection for guidelines for 24 was weaker than market expected. It's crazy, the expectations, but the big analysts get paid big bucks for the reason, because they go through, they analyze so many things, and mostly they are right on their game. So that is the reason. Starbucks, actually, Starbucks, we I already entered the position as mentioned last week. What I am looking, this is my typical wave one is about to be finished. As long as it doesn't break 91.36, I'm going to be a buyer. What I'm looking, yes, there was a 1 week happening, the big candle on the day of the result. After hours it went up 98, it came down. That day the market crashed. Not crash, was yes, a good amount of points lost on those days, 2 days basically. So that could be the effect that we are seeing. What I'm more interested is to see how this one pans out. 91.35 should be holding, and I want to see if we can take this, reclaim this point again, 96 fast. So that's what I'm looking. And if everything goes as per the plan, and this is as per our view, I will not call it a plan. This is our minor wave one, and if that goes, the next top we are looking somewhere around is 108. That will be a double top as well, and that will be tested over here. So we will see what it comes. It can fail before that around 104 level as well, but we will see how it does, what it does. Once it crosses 96, then I'll be looking around 104 to 108 to revise it. That's our Starbucks. Next one is going to be Amazon, which came with the market expected result, and the guidance, they are happy with the guidance as well. In Amazon, still I was predicting at that time that 173, 171 to 117, 181 probably is said. That's my 182, actually it's right here. That was, I'm looking for it and right on it. And thank you for coming with the excellent result. And yeah, I mean, it's amazing the way the company growing. So next target what we are looking is somewhere around 172 was one of that. So what I'm more interested is 179 to 189 scenario, and we will revise it. If that happens, then 189 will be the highest high earlier, and that will be tested. We might be looking at some restructuring happening, but I have a crazy, I was just looking at something and I found something in very interesting in the stocks of Amazon. We will discuss it probably next week once I gather my concept properly. So that's for Amazon. Nothing changed as compared to last week. Airbnb got some changes in the charting over here. Earlier there were one possibilities that we were talking because of the fee increase in their structure, that I mentioned that this could be the new trend, that it will follow the channel. No, it's not following that one, so I have to erase this one. Still we are intact with this channel, which was created few months back, so only 2 months, so it could be given up easily as well. What I see is Airbnb is not moving, it's not able to break this point over here, 150 level. Actually quite a few times it went up to here. Let's call this one, to be fair, let's call this one 150, 127. Last, how many times it was not able to break it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if that is the case, this could be the strongest resistance that it will see, and it will fail. Actually 151, it has to close it on the weekly basis with the good volume. We had a chance earlier when it shoot up on this day, but it was given up. Still it's not bad, but so what we are saying is 150, 127 has to be taken out quickly. So if it doesn't come, earning is here. So let's see, it will decide on the day of earning, which is 13th of February, which is Thursday. If I don't see it happening, then what we are looking 125 to, on the worst case scenario, on the average minor result, we are looking 136 to 141. I am pretty sure that we will be visiting, if it's not as expected, 136 on the cards. If it's on the good runs, then we might be reaching to 161 first, and on the cards that is 179 as well as a first stop, second stop for Airbnb. So the view over there could be changed. We have to adjust it before the earnings, and we will see what's coming. And the Mrvl was not in this list, but I was interested to see if it's going to make a run to 79 to 86, which it had failed. And what we are looking, it's just, I was just watching the video that Mrvl could be a potential candidate for new waves coming. This one 2, I was calling this 3 4, but this could be in fact my fifth over here. This could be my 3. So this is a learning process that you have to go. So if that is the case, and if I'm expecting a correction, what would be my correction values? Basically, the correction that comes after the fifth wave will be the bigger in the value that we have seen in the previous two corrections. I'm sorry. What I'm looking is the price action over here, which is going to be price range, which is here. So in this wave there was a correction of $8, and in this wave over here, this is my 3 and 4. I want to call this, I don't want it from here, I want it here, which is $3. 8 and 3, $11. So the correction that I am looking over here, we should expect the valuation of 11 or more. So if I want to take this one, $11 out, come on. So that comes to 62. I'm still intact on 63 most probably. Let's put it out the daily chart that I'm looking by hourly. So this is forming up in zigzag correction. This is my A, B, and C is going to be somewhere around 65 to 62. As per $11, what we are looking, 62 is coming. Use it as an educational purpose on how to adjust. Let me move it to 1 hour and see if we are able to spot 5 waves over here. This is my wave 1. I do not still see the correct clear waves, so this could be ongoing correction. So we will revise this stock again. It took us a little bit more than 14 minutes, 4 more minutes than last time. So that would be it. I'll be ending my video over here, and we will review the same stock on 11th of February. Thank you for watching.